This permanent drawer-type pipeline magnetic separator is specifically designed for removing iron impurities from powder and granular materials. It installs directly into your pipeline for continuous, uninterrupted iron removal, widely used in various powder production lines. The entire unit is made of Sus 304 stainless steel, with a DN200 double flange connection. The internal staggered multi-layer magnetic rod structure allows materials to fully contact the magnetic field. For thorough iron separation, the slopped flow guide promotes smooth material flow and effectively reduces clogging and material buildup. The upper and lower flanges connect directly to pipelines, suitable for continuous production. The high-intensity magnetic field can rapidly adsorb fine iron powder and various weakly magnetic metal impurities. The drawer-type magnetic assembly can be directly pulled out for quick cleaning, making maintenance much easier. We offer customized iron removal solutions based on your pipe diameter, production capacity, and material properties. Are you processing powder or granular materials in your production line? Feel free to contact us for inquiries.